Local health leaders and nonprofits are working to make sure the homeless population in Missouri has access to the vaccine. Thanks for choosing us tonight at 10. I'm Deborah Kendrick.
And I'm Lucas Geisler. ABC 17's Connor Hirsch joins us live in downtown Columbia tonight. Connor, people experiencing homelessness will become eligible to get the vaccine next week.
Deb, Lucas, they're a part of the next phase, phase 2 of Missouri State Plan, which will make tens of thousands of people eligible for the vaccine. And health leaders in nonprofits have already started to get the vaccine in the arms of what they're saying are some of the most vulnerable populations.
They're some of our most vulnerable, population. No matter what their age is, and they're all together, and homeless individuals, usually try to support each other.
And local nonprofits and health leaders are trying to support this population as well. Today, the Columbia-Boone County Health Department went into several shelters to distribute vaccines to staff and residents who are eligible right now.
One of our big focuses is trying to break down those barriers that people have.
Sarah Hum with the department said they've been able to set aside some doses of the vaccine for these vulnerable populations by supporting outreach events and nonprofits.
It can be difficult for them to be able to get the information needed to know how and where to get the vaccine. We're really trying to make that balance happen so that we can give folks an opportunity to get vaccinated.
Lori Benson with the Mid-Missouri Salvation Army said getting this community vaccinated is critical to keeping resources available and open.
If COVID comes into the shelter, we have to close the shelter down and people don't get services. And now there's, all those services for 2 weeks that are just shut down.
Benson said she would have liked to see this group prioritized sooner than it was in the state.
Because when you're homeless and you're trying to get resources and your hands are tied a lot, and you just kind of have to take what, comes at you, good or bad.
In the Missouri Health Department, just within the past hour, got back with me with some more information saying that they have put together a committee to prioritize the homeless, making sure that there is equitable distribution among those populations. And I also reached out to the governor's office for a comment about the distribution plan, and I did not receive a response. Reporting live in Columbia, Connor Hirsch, ABC 17 News.
Connor, thank you. Similar vaccinations have also started at the Salvation Army in Jefferson City. The Community Health Center of Central Missouri says it's working to get the vaccine to those in underserved populations as more people become eligible and vaccine becomes more available.